Hello, YouTube. I'm going to cover a lesson. I'm going to do a lesson on Viagra Boys song. Their song is called Toad. I think I understand this song musically. I'm not going to show you exactly how to play it. I'm just going to do like an arrangement of it. Because what this song is basically a blues song in A. That's the rhythm. It's like, just like maybe like a 16th beat, like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and maybe that's an 8, double time 8, however you want to call it. And then in between that is okay, that's the rhythm. And so what you're going to do is just kind of like play a muted A power chord. So you're just kind of resting your hands on the strings to mute it. That's what you could play during the whole introduction when he's doing the, it's like a John Lee Hooker kind of introduction. Yeah, this is like a punk rock blues song. Very similar to Nick Cave and his first couple Bad Seeds records. This is punk rock blues. So you're just punctuating these muted A power chords with full A chords, using that kind of rhythm. Baby, I had a great time with you last night. That breakfast you made me this morning tasted like it was made in the great restaurant in the sky. But I gotta tell you something. This is like what they call a talking blues, right? Where you just kind of talk, rap almost. It's kind of like a rap, except it was much earlier than rap. I gotta tell you something. I don't need no woman. I don't need no woman. I don't need no woman. And the rest of the song is essentially a big chorus, right? You can throw a D in there once in a while. If you listen to the bass, the bass is playing A and D a lot of the song. And the guitar is just doing like some sliding double stops and stuff, like. Stuff like that. I'm just playing E string at the 9th fret and B string at the 10th. And you kind of slide it back and forth. Then I'm sliding into this E. Oh, there's that bad output again. All right, so E. If you want to play it up here, you can play. I'm just playing this A chord, but I'm playing it at the 14th fret. So just think blues with punk rock attitude, and you should be fine on this song. All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.